Hi, I'm Andrea, and today I'm making some crispy, juicy, spicy, tangy buffalo chicken sandwiches. The chicken is going to have to rest a bit, so let's start there. Set a wire rack in a rimmed baking sheet. In a wide, shallow bowl, combine 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/2 cup of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of pepper, 1 teaspoon of cayenne, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and whisk them together. Drizzle a 1/4 cup of buttermilk over the flour mixture and mix it in with your fingers until small clumps form. These little clumps are going to form extra crispy nubbins on the chicken when it's fried. In a medium bowl, combine 2 large eggs and 1 teaspoon of table salt and whisk them together. So here we've got 2 chicken breasts that I've trimmed and halved horizontally and pounded slightly until they're 1/2 inch thick. We'll dip 1 piece in the egg mixture and then turn it over to coat it. Lift it from the egg mixture, allowing any excess to drip back into the bowl, and then transfer it to the flour mixture and coat it on both sides, pressing to form a thick, bumpy coating. Place that on the prepared rack and repeat the process with the other pieces of chicken. It works well if you can manage to keep one hand for dry operations and the other for wet operations, but it's easy to get confused, so don't worry about it too much. Then refrigerate the chicken uncovered for at least 1 hour and up to 8 hours. While the chicken rests, let's make the buffalo sauce and the blue cheese spread. Melt 1 tablespoon of unsalted butter in a small saucepan over medium heat. Add 1/2 teaspoon of cayenne and cook, stirring constantly until fragrant, about 30 seconds. Stir in 1/2 cup of Frank's Red Hot Original Cayenne Pepper Sauce. Be careful, there might be a little sputtering here. Cook, stirring occasionally, until the sauce is thickened and the spatula drawn across the bottom of the pan leaves a trail that takes longer than 5 seconds to fill in, which will take 4 to 5 minutes. Remove the pan from the heat and stir in 2 teaspoons of cider vinegar. The extra cayenne and vinegar will give the sauce a bit more zing. For the blue cheese spread, mash 2 ounces of crumbled blue cheese in a bowl with a fork until no pieces larger than 1/4 inch remain. Add 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise and continue to mash until incorporated. Add in 2 tablespoons of buttermilk and 1 teaspoon of cider vinegar and stir until combined. You can refrigerate that until you need it. Place a second wire rack in a rimmed baking sheet. Heat 2 quarts of vegetable oil in a large Dutch oven over medium-high heat to 425 degrees. Carefully transfer all the chicken to the oil and fry until the chicken registers at least 155 degrees. It'll only take 2 to 3 minutes. Transfer the chicken to the prepared rack. Then, use a pastry brush to coat the top of the chicken with half of the buffalo sauce. Open 4 toasted burger buns on a cutting board. Transfer 1 chicken piece, sauce side down, to each bun bottom. Brush the remaining buffalo sauce over the chicken. Top each chicken piece with 1/2 cup of finely shredded iceberg lettuce. Spread each bun top with 2 teaspoons of the blue cheese spread. Invert a bun top onto each sandwich and serve, passing the remaining blue cheese separately. To my mind, a buffalo chicken sandwich should be so zingy that it makes your forehead perspire a little bit. And this one definitely does it for me. If you make it, I hope you'll leave a comment. I look forward to hearing how it went for you.